Alright, this is one of those recipes that sits right between a snack and a dessert. It's kind of like a soft homemade granola bar, but way better and perfect for an easy breakfast or a quick and healthy snack. Let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now for the apples. If you've got an apple slicer, this part is super easy. If not, just cut each apple into about 8 slices so nothing is too big. Once you have your 2 apples sliced and the cores removed, grab a peeler or a small knife to peel the skin off. Then take each slice and cut it into smaller chunks. I usually cut each slice into thirds. Now, grab a large bowl and add 2 cups of rolled oats, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Give that a quick mix to combine. In a separate bowl, add 2 cups of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm in Istanbul right now, and vanilla extract is a little different here, so I'm using a powdered version and mixing it into the dry ingredients. Either works perfectly. Pour the milk into the oat mixture and mix everything together. For a little extra texture and sweetness, add 1/2 cup of raisins. You can also throw in about 1/4 cup of chopped nuts if you want, totally optional. Mix until everything is combined well. Then fold in your diced apples. Grab a baking dish, grease it, and pour everything in. Spread it out evenly so it bakes nicely and consistently. Into the oven, it goes for about 35 to 40 minutes. You're looking for golden edges and a set center. And that's it. This apple oatmeal bake comes out soft, lightly sweet, and perfect for breakfast, a quick snack, or even a healthier dessert. Enjoy this amazing snack, and if you try it, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one real soon.